In this video, I will walk you through the 7 essential steps for preparing your home for sale, and will share tips on making your space appealing to buyers. By focusing on these details, you create a space that looks cohesive and resonates with potential buyers, making it more appealing and market ready. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dia, an interior designer, stylist, and home improvement enthusiast. Over the years, I have staged numerous homes for sale, all of which have sold within a few days for well above asking price. The secret to this success was preparing the home for sale by highlighting its features and also making it look well maintained, attractive, and welcoming. In this video, I will walk you through the 7 essential steps for preparing your home for sale, and will share tips on making your space appealing to buyers. Whether you're preparing to sell your home soon or are simply looking at ways to enhance your home's appeal, this video is for you. First of all, you need to understand who your potential buyers may be. Check out your area demographics to understand who your buyers may be based on the size of your home and the location. Are the home hunters in your area first-time buyers, young singles, couples, families with kids, or empty nesters? Knowing your buyers can determine whether you need to highlight the children's rooms and play space for appealing to families, or adjust the look of your home to attract professionals who work from home or retirees who are looking to downsize. Also, do some detective work. Go to open houses in your area to see what the competition has to offer. If, of course, you're not comfortable being a looky-loo, you can check out websites like Zillow for listings and photos to see what is out there. This can motivate you to go the extra mile and put effort into your home to make it more appealing. Step 2 is to look at your home through the buyer's eyes. After living in your space for a while, you stop noticing certain things. The trained eye of an experienced real estate agent will be able to look at your home and identify areas that need to be enhanced. But you too need to have a look at your house with fresh eyes. Note areas that need attention, like worn exteriors, cluttered kitchens, or scuffed walls. Create a to-do list and consult your real estate agent and align improvements with your home style to appeal to buyers effectively without exceeding your budget. Then get ready to pull up your sleeves and get some work done. Boost your curb appeal by power washing exteriors, touching up paint on trim work, and sprucing up your landscaping. Pruning shrubs and trees, planting some colorful flowers, and applying fresh mulch can go a long way. Pay attention to small details like cleaning the entrance and outdoor lanterns. And don't forget to polish the front door and the entry handles to make a strong first impression. Enhance the front door area with plants in coordinating pots to complement your home's exterior color scheme. These steps will help attract potential buyers from the moment they arrive. Next, bring your attention to the interior of your home. Start by assessing painted surfaces like walls, window ledges, doors, and baseboards. A magic eraser can work wonders for scuff marks, but larger areas may need patching and repainting. Neutral colors appeal to the broader range of tastes and allow potential buyers to envision their own style in this space. This approach also helps rooms appear brighter and more spacious, enhancing their overall appeal. Consider using complementary muted colors to accentuate architectural details or create an inviting focal point, such as an accent wall. This strategic use of color adds depth and interest without overwhelming the space. By focusing on these details, you create a space that looks cohesive and resonates with potential buyers, making it more appealing and market ready. Step number 5 is to edit and declutter. Decluttering is crucial because reducing the amount of items in a space makes it feel more spacious and inviting and allows the prospective buyers to envision themselves in the space. Consider it an opportunity to start packing for your move early, whether storing boxes neatly in the garage or using a storage pod temporarily. Simplify furniture arrangements. Remove bulky or unnecessary furniture. This opens up the rooms and highlights their intended purpose. Organize closets by packing away out-of-season clothing and shoes. This not only creates more space, but also makes closet appear larger and tidier to prospective buyers. Streamline your kitchen by packing away non-essential items. Keep only the necessary dishes, glasses, utensils, and cookware that are needed for daily use during the selling process. This minimizes clutter and shows buyers that there is plenty of storage space in the kitchen. Also, edit your linen cabinet by keeping only the necessary items. Aim for 2 sets of towels and 1 extra set of sheets per person and pack everything else. This simplifies storage and helps the closets look more tidy. Involve children in the process by letting them choose a few favorite toys to keep accessible. Store the rest in lidded baskets that can easily be hidden during showings. Throughout the process, take time to clean and organize each area thoroughly. A well-maintained home creates a positive impression on home buyers, increases its appeal and its potential sale value. Step number 6 is to clean, spruce, and deodorize your home. Preparing your home for sale involves meticulous cleaning to present it at its best. So deep clean your home from top to bottom. Whether you hire a professional or tackle it yourself, cleanliness is crucial for creating a positive impression. Pay special attention to floors, the kitchen, bathrooms, and eliminate any odors. Use repair kits or markers to touch up any scratches or nicks on hardwood floors and polish them to restore their shine. For tile floors, a thorough wet mop cleaning should suffice, but if the grout is dingy, consider renting a steam cleaner to clear that grime. I highly recommend having your carpets professionally cleaned and deodorized, especially if you have pets. Pet odors can be a major turnoff for buyers. Use cleaning solutions that specifically neutralize pet odors to ensure a fresh scent. In the kitchen, focus on maximizing space and cleanliness. Clear off unnecessary items from your counters. Store appliances like toasters, blenders, and coffee makers in cabinets so you can showcase ample counter space. Clean appliances inside and out, including the oven, stove, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher, because buyers will inspect these areas closely. In bathrooms, aim for a spotless, inviting atmosphere. Steam cleaning is an effective way to deep clean tiles and grout lines. Ensure all surfaces are free of soap scum and mold, so scrub and sanitize all the surfaces thoroughly. Clean windows allow natural light to come in, illuminating the space, making it look more spacious and welcoming. So, if it's been a while since you've cleaned your windows, now is the time to give them a good wash both inside and out, including the tracks and screens. Throughout the cleaning process, pay special attention to the details. Polish mirrors and any glass surfaces to a streak-free shine. Dust and clean light fixtures to ensure they sparkle and provide maximum illumination. By focusing on cleanliness and presenting a well-maintained home, you increase the appeal to potential buyers and also improve the likelihood of a successful sale. Step number 7 is don't be nose-blind. This means when you're preparing your home for sale, it is crucial to address odors because even the slightest smells can deter potential buyers. Choose gentle cleaning products. Avoid harsh cleaners with strong odors like chlorine. Opt for products that leave a light, fresh scent without overpowering the space. Even after cleaning, pets can leave lingering smells. Use enzymatic cleaners to break down the odors effectively. Remove litter boxes and pets during showings to eliminate any pet-related odors. Cooking can leave lingering smells, so open up the windows to air out the space, or simmer water with orange peels, cloves, and cinnamon after cooking for a fresh aroma. Resist the temptation of masking odors with strong candles or plug-in air fresheners. These can create an overpowering mix of scents and may deter sensitive buyers. Remember, creating a welcoming and inviting environment is key to attracting buyers and securing a top dollar sales value. So here are the key steps. First of all, understand who your prospective buyers may be. Then look at your house through the eyes of the buyers. Freshen up your exteriors and also freshen up the interior of your house. Declutter and edit. Then clear, clean, and spruce up. And don't forget to deal with possible odors. By following these 7 steps, you're well on your way in preparing your home for a successful sale. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to move on to the next step of the process that I call the beautification. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming video where I share expert tips on how to stage your home to make it irresistible to buyers and to bring a top dollar offer. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.